Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to see a block users list on TikTok. So I'm going to a random profile and just going to block that profile. So I'm going to block cat men tattoos. So I just click here and click on the three dot here, and you can find the block option here. If there is someone who is disturbing you all the time, so just block him. That's how you can block anyone on TikTok account. So just click block. So now you can see that cat mentor 2 is blocked here. If you want to check all the block accounts, so just click on the profile section again, click on the settings, and now click on the settings and privacy option and go to the privacy section and just scroll a bit, and now you can see option is blocked account. So when you click this option, so you can see multiple blocked accounts, so that you have blocked from previous times. So all the blocked accounts showed here. If you want to unblock someone, you can do here just clicking on unblock. So here the person is unblocked now. So this is very simple step to block someone and unblock someone. So if you found this video very helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.